Hello dear viewers. I will present you the new 2023 GMC Yukon. General Motors GMC division is best known for commercial vehicles and work trucks, but the 2023 Yukon is one of the most accommodating and luxurious passenger vehicles in the brand's history. This large family SUV offers spacious accommodations across 3 rows of seats and is even offered with a longer wheelbase, called Yukon XL, that opens up even more space for cargo. Most models are powered by a V8, either of a 5.3 or a 6.2-liter variety, but a turbo diesel 3.0-liter inline-6 is also available, a novelty in this segment. Towing capacity and acceleration are both strong with any of the available engines, but the V8s aren't particularly fuel efficient. The base SLE trim is hardly Spartan, with a host of convenience and technology features offered as standard, but the upscale Denali trims lux things up to compete with premium entrants such as the Cadillac Escalade and Lincoln Navigator. The Yukon's biggest competitor, however, comes from sister brand Chevrolet in the form of the Tahoe and Suburban SUVs, both of which are mechanically identical and offer similar accoutrements for slightly less money. A new range-topping Denali Ultimate trim joins the Yukon lineup for 2023 and features fancier Alpine Umber leather upholstery, 16-way power-adjustable front seats with massage, open-pore wood trim, and an 18-speaker Bose stereo system, among other niceties. The Denali Ultimate wears darkened chrome trim on its grille and other exterior panels and rolls on unique 22-inch wheels. GM Super Cruise hands-free driving highway driving mode is available as an option. Available in a variety of flavors, from base SLE spec to luxurious Denali Ultimate, the Yukon and long wheelbase Yukon XL promise seating for up to 8 passengers, although ordering the popular second-row captain's chairs will lower the total seating capacity to 7. Denali models offer a unique interior design with a wood-trimmed dashboard and hand-stitched leather upholstery. A novel power sliding center console is available in SLT and AT4 models. It's standard on the Denali, and allows the driver to motor the center console back and forth over a 10-inch track to make room for bulkier first-row cargo such as a purse or backpack and stash other smaller items out of sight in hidden cubbies. Cargo capacity is generous, especially in the larger XL model, which offers a whopping 145 cubic feet of maximum cargo space with all of its seats stowed. That's more than its crosstown rival, the Ford Expedition Max, which has 122 cubic feet behind its front row of seats. The standard-length Yukon provided enough space for 6 carry-on cases behind its third-row seats. With the third and second rows stowed, we fit 35, while the rough-and-tumble AT4, with its butch looks and off-road equipment, and the luxurious Denali, with its hand-stitched leather interior, seem the most compelling. The one to go for is actually the well-equipped and more affordable SLT. This mid-range model comes with features that most buyers are looking for, including leather upholstery, heated and cooled front seats, 20-inch wheels, a power liftgate, and driver assistance features. Similar to the last generation Yukon, 2 V8 engines are offered, a 355 horsepower 5.3-liter and a 420 horsepower 6.2-liter. In addition to those gasoline-burning engines, GMC also offers a 3.0-liter turbo diesel inline-6 that makes a whopping 460 pound-feet of torque and is the choice for buyers who intend to tow heavy items. All models come with a 10-speed automatic transmission operated by buttons on the dashboard and offer either rear or all-wheel drive. An off-road oriented AT4 model is also available and features a 2-speed transfer case, 20-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, underbody skid plates, and an optional air suspension capable of offering up to 2 more inches of ground clearance. When we tested a loaded Denali model with the 6.2-liter V8, we recorded a 6.0-second 0 to 60 mph time and noted significantly improved braking performance over the last generation model. A host of driver assistance features are offered, but GMC only offers basic tech as standard, forcing buyers to pay extra for more advanced ones. Key safety features include 1. Standard automated emergency braking with forward collision warning. 2. Available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. 3. Available adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode. All Yukon models come with a large infotainment display with GMC's latest infotainment interface, and we've found the system easy to use. SLE, SLT, and AT4 models feature a display that stands tall in the center of the dashboard, but the Denali's is surrounded by bright chrome and is embedded in the dashboard for a more sophisticated look. Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard equipment. Navigation and a Bose audio system are both optional features. Thank you for following us. In our next video, we will present to your attention a new car. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. If you have a car brand that you want to see, you can write in the comments.